here she is in all of her glory. But then you come down to here. This thing is tired. Not sure if it's the original, but it just stands out. And we've got this one. Trim parts. Spent a little bit extra. It's supposed to have the, I think it's pronounced Glasson or Glasson on it. So you got to get under, and we'll go down there and see what we're looking at. Okay, so here we are under. You can see those two bolts there. They don't look like they're in too bad a shape, but in theory, take those off, put the new one in, screw it up. Oh, let's see. Alright, so here's the new one. She is nice and shiny. Looking good. This is metal, not plastic. It came with these, but man, these feel chintzy. But we gotta get the old ones off first. Alright, so we got her out. These are in pretty rough shape. Interestingly enough, the first one came out with a 3/8 and the second one came out with an 8mm. So don't know. The new ones, we'll check those out. That's what it looks like underneath. So we're gonna wash that up a little bit. I'm just gonna use a little soapy water. A little soap in there, that'll be alright. Alright, let's get the new one on. I'll tell you what size socket. Alright, so the moment of truth here. Boom. Alright, new screws are on underneath. Not too bad. Come out and under and up. And there she is. Like new shoes, baby. Looking good. Part number right here for 75 to 76. Make sure you're checking your year. This was only there that particular way for 2 years, so if you're doing it right. I bought this on Zips Corvette. I think it was $106 plus shipping. I know there are definitely some cheaper options out there, but I like Zips and I trust that they'll get quality stuff, and I did. Yeah. By the way, 3/8. That was the ticket. Yeah.